Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fajrin Sapunbu and I study in English Department Education of Ahmad Dahlan University. In this time or in this video, I will give you the definition about Azure model, but we will focus on the utilize technology, media, and materials. So we will focus on the utilize technology, media, and materials, the definition about. But first, I wanna explain, or I wanna give you the definition about the Azure model. Azure is an instructional design model that has the goal of producing more effective to the teaching and learning activity. In Azure model, there are 6 steps that you can be used in your teaching or learning activities. First, analyze learners. Second, state standards and objectives. Third, select strategies, technology, media, and materials. Fourth, utilize technology, media, and materials. Fifth, require learner participation. And the last is evaluate and revise. So let we focus on the utilize technology, media, and materials that I will give you the definition of the steps in Azure model. In these steps, in the Azure model process concern making a plan as to how you utilize the technology, media, and materials that you have selected. As with all of the instructional steps, you must make sure that your plans contribute towards producing to the objectives that you have laid down. In these steps, or in utilize technology, media, and materials, there are 5 steps that you can be used. First, review the technology, media, and materials. This means that it's important to ahead of time just how you're going to use them. It's good to a dry run of your lesson before you actually teach it. Make sure that the whole lesson will go smoothly and seamlessly. Next, prepare the technology, media, and materials. You need to gather all of the things that you will do, that you will need to teach your lesson. They must be working properly. For example, if you are making a presentation about PowerPoint presentation, then you'll need to create the text and graphics for each screen. Next steps is prepare the learners. First, you need to clearly inform the learners as to what the learning objectives are. This will help the learners create a mental map of what they need to absorb. Next, it is important to tell the students how they will be assessed. You need to tell them what their assignment will be, how they will be graded, if there are tests, and so on. Also, you should explain to the student what the benefits of learning the materials are. Next steps, or the last, is provide the learning experience. You then actually carry out the lesson. This is where all of your planning takes effect. You should be prepared to carry out the lesson with every prior steps of the process in mind. This will ensure your success as a teacher. That's all the steps of utilize technology, media, and materials. And that's all the explanation or the definition about Azure model, that I focus on the utilize media, utilize technology, media, and materials. So thank you for the attention, and wassalamualaikum.